welcome back to my channel. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle, and boy do I have a wig for you today. You already know, you saw in the intro of the video. Okay, everybody who puts this wig on looks like $1 million. I have been seeing this wig everywhere. Everybody who wears it looks good. It's my turn. It's my turn. So listen, I'm supposed to be decorating right now. Somebody needs to go in the attic and bring all this stuff down. All right, let me tell you what happened. We had a tree. I had to get rid of it last year. It was beautiful. We've had it for 10 years. Everybody knew how to assemble it. There was no surprises. I was on Pinterest. I was looking up, because every year there's a theme for the Christmas tree, and like the year before it was diabetes. So anyway, last year I wanted to do a flocked Christmas tree, so I went and I bought all this flocking spray that you get and you spray your tree. I had no idea I would still be cleaning up flocked particles this year. All right, it got everywhere. It was a mess. There was no salvaging the tree. We had to throw it out. So I ordered the tree, that arrived. That is the only Christmas thing that I have up. I put some lights around my palm tree over here. Pathetic, all right? I know, it's not the level that everybody is used to. I get it, all right? I'm just running a little behind. The ornaments I ordered, who knows where they are, okay? Hopefully they come before Christmas, I hope. But anyway, let's get into the wig. So lately Nadula has been crushing it. Every unit I get so far is better than the last. So listen, Nadula sent me this, right? Why did they send me an email? They said, Michelle, okay, we know that your forehead, listen, every forehead is different, okay? So this particular unit that you get, bangs, right? You might have to cut the bangs. Can I just tell you that that just unlocked, stored up trauma? Having a big old forehead on top of a messed up hairline, it messes with your head, okay? All growing up, no ponytails. Nope, we not about to show all this. But now that my edges have grown in and my forehead circumference has decreased, they told me I might need to cut my bangs. They said my forehead was cute. So let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. So let me show you guys the contents of my box. We got the wig right here, Brazilian hair. Of course, you guys saw the satin dust bag to store your wig in. More wig caps, lots of wig caps for some reason in this box. One time I was gonna use some infused oils for my hair and I did not have any cheesecloth. What a multi-purpose functioning item. You can never have too many, never. We got a little elastic wig strap for laying down your edges, although I don't know if I'm gonna need that for this wig because it does have bangs. Bangs helps a whole lot, let me tell you something. Cover a multitude of sins. So here's my wig in a bag. Oh, this is nice. So this is a pre-everything wig, which is truly very beginner friendly. Hey, you don't have to worry about bleaching the knots, they're already done for you. You don't have to worry about plucking to the right density to make it look more like a realistic hairline, that's already done for you. And even the lace is cut. I noticed that a lot of people have a lot of issues with feeling confident enough to cut their own lace, so they usually take it to the hairstylist. You ain't gotta worry about that either. So it comes with this tape and it's already perforated, so it's really easy to tear it off into strips that are a lot more usable, which is a total upgrade from the tape that came with the wigs that I first started out with. You had to cut that mess yourself with a pair of scissors, and those scissors were done so for anything else afterwards. It's so funny, here's the wig. Look at the curls, they know me. They know me so well. Look at this cute little roller. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out because if you know Velcro rollers, they will mess up your whole life if they get tangled up. So we're gonna remove that for now. But this is the hair. A beautiful natural black, and these curls show off its natural luster and sheen. And you know I love me some boingy boingy curls. So here is the amount of lace that you get with this unit. She is a 13x4, plenty of real estate for all you creatives out there who can do like braid designs. One day, maybe, I don't know. It has this elastic adjustable strap that attaches to the inside of the cap, and this is removable, but this adds a layer of security, and you would just adjust this to fit your head, and sometimes this is all you need, depending upon if you're gonna wear glueless or not. And in the back, we got 1/8 comb. There is this silicone grip that's very stretchy along the base of the wig cap. And then there is also these adjustable bands right here. So I can see the vision, okay? We're going for 90s bombshell today, ladies. So as you can see, I've done nothing to prepare my hair, so you can see start to finish the install. Basically all I have on is a wig cap, and this wig cap is hiding my braids that I do after I do my treatments. So after I wash and condition my hair in the shower, I put it into pigtails and I slather it with grease. That's the secret, ladies and gentlemen. I actually did a Indigo treatment, which is where you apply the henna, you let that stain, you wash it out, and then you apply indigo and you let that sit. So it takes a couple of days for the hair color to fully develop. The goal is blue-black hair. All right, the blacker the better. That's my goal. But anyway, that's what's going on in this wig cap. So let's go ahead and put it on. She's on. Let me go ahead and, okay, yeah, all right. I will have to cut these bangs just a tickle. Wow, cutting bangs is anxiety though. What have I gotten myself into? All right, for the sake of installing this wig without destroying the bang feature, I'm gonna clip them out of the way first so we can get into this lace. So here's what we got going on with this hairline. As you can see, this is what it's looking like without altering it or doing anything crazy. You can see that they've included these tape tabs right here on the ear tab or the side-borne aerial, whatever you want to call it. And that will make sure that these things don't go flapping in the wind, because it's windy out there, y'all. And finally, the temperature is getting cooler. Okay, I'm here for it. So this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and adhere this with some lace melting spray, and then I will be right back. Okay, so she's on. I'm gonna go ahead and let this elastic band melt this hairline, and then I will be back for styling. But this is gorgeous already. But yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for 20 minutes and then I'm gonna be right back. It's been a lot longer than 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and get this off and see what we got. Underneath, everything is melted. All right, so now we can get into styling. All right, this is what I got. I do see that I have some additional longer pieces in there, and I don't really want to mess it up, but I'm gonna shoot for right here. So, I'm scared. All right, I'm not doing this. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna curl this bang up, I'm gonna set it with my thermal roller, and then I'm going to get into the rest of the hair. This is the circumference of the roller that came already in the wig. I'm gonna use just something a little bit bigger, because let me tell you something. Sunday night, and your mom used to put this roller in your hair, and then you wake up the next day with tight curls, and them curls lasted the whole week. Traumatizing, okay? So we're gonna go with a little bit of a bigger barrel of a curl. Sorry if you can hear some weird noises. My husband is in his workshop because he's a happy little Santa elf. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys what the wig looked like after combing out some of these curls. I'm gonna put them right back. Put them right back. I got my curling on ready, but look how gorgeous this is. It's all soft and flowy. The layers are cut so beautifully, and it just lends overall to a really nice cascading effect. Very elegant. This is my style, honey. So this is perfect already, just like this. I don't see anything wrong with this, but I'm going to try to make it look exactly like the picture and before I combed out the curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a 360 of curls all around my head. I've got my 1-inch curling barrel ready to go, locked and loaded, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. We're all done putting the curls back in place. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and I'm gonna gently coax these curls into the same kind of style that it was when I initially brushed the curls out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, and then I'm gonna come back and put the finishing touches on this gorgeous hair. Okay, we're all changed. We can go ahead and start working our fingers through these curls. Girl, see what I'm talking about? Look at this. See, when you know the recipe, all you need is the ingredients. Oh my gosh. So let's go ahead and take out this roller, girl. We're gonna get it. It's been a long time since I've had bangs. I used to be the goat at bangs. Okay. Okay, y'all, I did my best. Do you know how much anxiety I have cutting this close? I can't, that's too much pressure. I'm so glad that the wig took the pressure off and did 99% of the work for me. So you're gonna wanna customize your bangs to your face. Of course, everybody got different size foliars. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb out these curls with this comb and make it really flowy. Also to blend that bang into the layers that were already present in the hair. And this just looks so gorgeous. This is very Christmas party ready hair. So let me show you guys the back. This hair kind of reminds me of those dark fantasy AI videos. So this is gorgeous like this, but then you can also do some little updos. Oh, the bang! So much fun. And that's it. Voila! She is finito. There's so many possibilities. You know, sometimes you just gotta play in the wig, okay? You gotta make it your own. You gotta customize it, right? This is fire though. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me throughout this video. I'll make sure to put all the information about this gorgeous unit that I'm wearing in the description box below. Stay with me to the end. I'm gonna do some hairstyles we're gonna see. I'm gonna try to make it look like the picture that I saw. As always, I will talk to you guys later. Stay encouraged this holiday season. Hang in there. We got a long way to go. Y'all be safe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.